Once upon a time, in the peaceful Igbo village, there lived a man who always wanted more. More food, more meat, more everything. People often whispered, "Ha, afọ nejukwa nwoke ma. Does this man ever get full?" One day, the kind king invited the whole village to a feast. And guess what? The greedy man rushed forward and stacked his plate high as a tower. But the king announced, "Whoever takes more than they can finish must be banished from the village." "Tufiakwa, never," the man muttered, but he was already sweating. He tried to eat it all: rice, soup, meat, everything. But halfway through, he held his belly and cried, "Chai, afomo, my stomach, I can't go on." He fell to his knees and begged the king, "Biko Eze, Baalum, I have learned my lesson. Please, don't banish me, oh." The king smiled and said, "Akonuche bu mbido ututu oma." Wisdom is the start of a good morning. And from that day, the man took just enough and never too much. Moral of the story: Ago abui also. Hunger is not a race. Greed can leave you full and foolish. Be wise.